Bloodshed on a Christmas morning. Nyalararu ya big effect. Bloodshed on a Christmas morning. Karibu chini ya mti on a Christmas morning. Somebody said we are sad and we are wishing you a Merry Christmas. We want to welcome you to a story. Last night, a hyena took one of our sheep. Actually, yes, that's a hyena.
Hyena.
Let me show you.
The blood.
Where?
The blood.
Yes, so you notice blood there on the. Then if you look at, so it took it and ran towards the forest like this. So we found a trail, and let's go and show you something. We live on the edge of the forest, and wild animals have always been our neighbors. Conflicts then is inevitable. I couldn't help thinking about Jesus Christ coming to earth to shed his blood for us. And then on a Christmas morning, my lamb shed his blood. For the last couple of years, we have witnessed extensive population growth in Kaputei North, forcing wild animals to lack spaces to live, or actually for them to come and be fight. Yeah, so here we found it. Probably. We were more confused. It cannot be a hyena.